My name is Carolina Andahar, and today we will be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your AOA-EX-GUARD angle of attack cover. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your AOA-EX-GUARD ensures proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The AOA-EX-GUARD's universal low-profile compact design will secure most AOA vane sensors. Its carbon fiber plate and lever suction cups easily conform to virtually any surface contour and allow attachments around decals and pinstriping. Prior to installing the AOA-EX-GUARD, make sure to inspect the product. Make sure the lever suction cups are clean and free of imperfections. Ensure the surface of the aircraft is free of debris. Carefully place the AOA-EX-GUARD over the angle of attack vane. The lever suction cups should not overlap with a paint line or other orifice. The AOA-EX-GUARD can be oriented at an angular position if needed to avoid paint lines. Hold firm pressure on the AOA-EX-GUARD and simultaneously grasp the lever on either cup. Press the lever to securely fasten the lever suction cup to the aircraft. Repeat this process with the opposite lever suction cup. To remove the AOA-EX-GUARD, firmly grasp the cover and simultaneously grasp the lever on either cup. Fold the lever upward. Repeat this process with the opposite lever suction cup. Gently remove the AOA-EX-GUARD from the aircraft. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mild soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.